Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the big secret to really make money online. So if you're interested in really knowing the real secret to making money online, then absolutely stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, the big secret to really make money online, and this is not going to be something that I'm just going to sell to you. It's not going to be something that's like a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. So if you're looking for that, you're going to be very disappointed, because the big secret to really make money online, the real secret that a lot of people know but not many people talk about, like the real people that actually do make money online, they know this. Well, that is going to involve some work. You're not going to make money online just trying to paste, like copy and paste things. You're going to really need to make money online by building a following instead of just trying to sell. A lot of people are just trying to sell. They have no following. They do this, like I see this all the time, and I've talked about this before. They go on Facebook groups, they try and paste things, and they just not give any value. They just, try to sell, and that's completely backwards. They do like everything upside down. The real thing that you're going to have to do is actually build a following instead of just trying to sell. Build something, like whether it's on YouTube, on Instagram, a blog, Snapchat, like you name it. There are a million different platforms that you can go on, but you really have to build like real value and give value to people. If you're just trying to sell something, then it's not going to work, because you don't have the trust. People don't know you. There's no way that you're going to actually be able to sell anything. So I'm sorry to tell you this, but like if you're trying to make the money right away, then you're going to have to like get something that pays you for the job that you do, like no matter what it is. But if you're really trying to make money online, it's going to start really slow and then gradually go up and up and up, and then it's just going to almost go straight up, because that is how making money online works. That's how affiliate marketing works. That's how almost anything online works. It's going to start very slow, and you're going to have to build trust. You're going to have to help people. You're going to have to give as much value as possible to anyone that watches you, and then you're going to like keep providing that value. As soon as you start to get a little bit of traction, then you're going to have to be able to sell something. But at the beginning, it's going to be very slow. And even though I advise you to like build an email list right from the start, which is something that's going to build even more trust, you might not be able to make the sale right away, but you will be able to start to actually generate some leads. So that's why I talk about like building an email list right away. And if you want to do this, there's a link in the description of a 7-day free trial to join my Builderall team, so you can absolutely do that for extremely cheap. So with that being said, you might not be able to like make the money right away, but you're going to get the feeling, you're going to start to generate leads, and that is how you're going to make the money after. You can't just like build something and expect to make the money in the first day, week, or even month. It doesn't work like that. You're going to have to build and build and build until you actually manage to make like everything work. So that's the very important thing that you have to do, is actually build a following instead of just trying to sell something to someone, because that doesn't work. So I'm sorry about this. This is like a bit of a harsh talk, but this is something that a lot of people don't understand this, and you can't just sell something right from the beginning and expect to make a ton of money. This is how people that make the real money, that's how they do it. They started off by making very little, like maybe no money at first, and not really trying to sell anything, just trying to build as much value as possible. This builds trust, and people learn from you, and then you can expect to sell something. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, that you got a ton of value out of it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.